I'm so nervous.
All right, it's going to be fun. Now, we got a bunch of little guys coming out. The first one's Callen
No, Callen.
He goes to Peppermint Fence, loves to sing and perform country and western music, loves to play baseball and football. And he's going to sing a song, Buy Me a Boat.
Yeah. I'm like, hello, brothers and sisters! How are y'all tonight? It's hey, everybody. I just live.
Let's go, buddy.
Yeah. But I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog, begging, working for me. Come on. Wish I had a red jungle that I kicked a book. I was sitting on a pile like a watering book. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness. Well, they can buy me the boat. Come on, go. They can buy me the drugs and pulling. They can buy me your dirty ones here last night with some Sarah bullets. Yeah, I know what they said. Money can't buy everything. Baby, so they can buy me the boat. Redneck, white trash, and blue collar. I could check up $1 million. What's up? I hear that you're all legal and you can't fit camel through the Alameda, and I'm sure that's probably true. But still sounds painful, 'cause it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a Yeti one here lifestyle with a silver bullet. Yeah, I know what they say, but it can't buy everything. Maybe so. It could buy me a boat. Oh, down in the water with the beer. Here, a power ball with a sit up hot. Buy me a brand new rod reel. It could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a Yeti 1G and last down with some sand.